Hey kids, let's learn basic shape with fun. So let's get started. Here is the train coming. This is a circle. It has no sides. We fix it right. Now comes square. It has 4 sides. We did it right. Now comes oval. It has no sides. It is like an egg shape. Now comes the rectangle, which has 2 short and long sides. Now comes triangle. It has 3 sides. Now comes hexagon. It has 6 sides. Now moving forward. What a beautiful butterfly. This is a pentagon which has 5 sides. Now fix it with me. Yes, this is the right way. Now comes star twinkling in the sky at night. Yay, we fix it right. Now comes the diamond shape. Let's putting it together. Yay, we did it right. Kids, we have learned shapes today. Until next video, bye bye.